Can I explain to you in just 30 seconds how RetroFoam is installed in a home with wood siding? I don't know, but if I can, I've got a little project for my video editor. If the wood siding is in good condition, then the crew is going to go around the house. They're going to remove one row of it. Then they're going to drill holes into the sheathing, inject the foam, plug the hole, and put the siding right back where it was. Now, if that wood siding tends to be more brittle and it's going to break easily, they're going to just drill through it. Once the foam's been injected, they're going to put a wood plug in place and everything's good to go. Next, if you don't want them to touch your wood siding, then the install can be done from the inside by drilling through the drywall and plugging those holes with a patch of mud. Looks like my editor's off the hook. This time. Now you know that you have options if you decide to have RetroFoam installed into your home. Your RetroFoam dealer will go over the best installation process based on your wood siding. Now, if you're ready to find a dealer in your area, check out our dealer finder. There you're going to find RetroFoam dealers across the country who can help make your home more energy efficient and comfortable. I'm your building science brainiac, reminding you to bring a little science to every project.